See children, let us see how to draw LS of a flower. This is a very important topic for the exam. So if you are asked to draw and label the parts of a flower, what you have to do? So when we draw LS means longitudinal section, vertical section. Okay. So to draw the longitudinal section of a flower, it's always better to start from the center of the flower. So how will you start? You should start like this. What is the structure? This structure is the carpel, or in other words it is called as a pistil. Here I am drawing only a flower having a single pistil or the carpel. Now this is the carpel. Now in the agatha, when we are cutting through the center, we can see the inside part of this also. So I am going to draw the chambers inside the ovary. So these are the chambers inside the ovary. In that I am drawing a few ovules like this. So in this picture I have drawn a pistil. This is the stigma, this is style, this is the ovary. Then ovary is having inside chamber, and inside that chamber I have drawn 6 ovules. For 6 ovules naturally when it becomes fruit it will become 6 seeds. അല്ലാതെ ചിലപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഓവറിക്ക് ഒറ്റ ഓവ്യൂളുള്ള ഓവറി നമുക്ക് വരും. For example, I will draw it here. I will draw it later. So this is another one which I want to draw. This is another ovary. Okay. So here in this I am drawing a single like this. So this is another ovary where I have drawn a single ovule. There are different ways by which we can draw. But LS now next we are going to draw the male part of the flower. Male part is collectively called as androecium, and each member is called as a stamen. So I am going to draw a stamen here. See how I will draw. See the line coming like this. This side also I am drawing one. Like this. So the female part and the male part we have drawn. Now the next is the petals, corolla, like this. See? Now we will draw petal like this. Now we will draw this part. So the part. Now we will draw the outermost part of the flower, that is the calyx. I am shading the calyx like this. So these are the sepals. Now this part is the thalamus or the receptacle on which all other cells are arranged. And this is the stalk of the flower. We call it as pedicel. Calyx eda sepal. This is okay. Now this is the petal, collectively called as corolla, ovary, ovule. Okay. Now this is the style, this is stigma, and this we have already drawn, so we will draw this one. This is the stamen. This stamen has 2 parts, that is the filament, and this part is called as the anther. So these are the parts of a flower, and this is how you have to draw LS of a flower.